Installation of the Spring 4D framework is quite easy. Just Google Spring 4D and you will find the Bitbucket repository with all the source code. It's an open source project, so you can either clone this repository or download the complete repository yourself. I would opt for cloning the repository because it's easier to get updates, so you can just pull the new changes from Git if you want. So if possible, go with cloning the repository, and otherwise just download it and install it. Once you've installed, cloned or downloaded Spring 4D, you will extract the source, and if you go to the directory where all the source code is, you will find the build.exe where you can install Spring 4D. So if you start this build.exe, you can select for which targets you want to compile. So in this case I've two Delphi versions, 10.3, 10.4, installed it just for Windows 32 and 64, and Linux if you want. And if you installed also iOS and Android, you'll see them here. If you install it just for production systems, I would go for the release, build, and the update of Delphi registry. So in this case, the Spring will be installed in Delphi, and you can use it right away. So just click on build, and the installer will take care of everything. So yeah, after you build, you will let me move it over to here. All the source code gets compiled and installed in Delphi, and you're good to go.